glowing letters and shapes from A to Z. A is for alpha triangle. Look at this glowing triangle. B is for bright circle. Watch the glowing circle spin.
C is for color cube. See the cube glowing in the dark.
D is for dazzle diamond. Look at it shine. E is for electric ellipse. Glow and spin with us. F is for fluorescent star. Bright and glowing in the dark. G is for glowing hexagon. Can you see the shape shine? H is for halo heart. A glowing heart just for you. I is for illuminated icon. Look at the glowing letter I.
J is for jazzy pentagon. Watch it shine bright. K is for kinetic cube. See the moving glowing cube.
L is for luminous line. Bright lines make fun patterns. M is for mystic moon. Look at it glow in the dark. N is for neon nest. See the glowing pattern.
O is for orbiting oval. Watch the neon shapes orbit.
P is for pulsing prism. Look at the glowing colors. Q is for quirky quads. Neon squares repeat perfectly. R is for radiant ring. See it spin and shine. S is for shining spiral. Look at the glowing swirl. T is for twinkle triangle. Sparkles make it shine. U is for ultra umbrella. Look at the neon glow.
V is for vivid vortex. Spin and glow with us.
W is for wavy wave. Look at the glowing waves. X is for extra glow X. Bright and bold. Y is for yonder yarn. Neon yarn glowing in loops. Z is for zigzag zenith. Look at the glowing zigzag. Great job, friends! You explored all the ABC neon shapes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more glowing fun. It's time for ABC GROK. Learning letters, having fun. ABC GROK.